Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how you can split a combined PDF file into different PDF files. Let's start. You will open your browser and you will type here ilove.com and then go enter. So this is the website. So here you can see that at the second option this is called split PDF, so we have to select this one. Okay, so first we have to upload our PDF. So by using this option we select our PDF. Let's suppose this is my research paper. I just select this one. Okay, so here you can see that the range is from 1 to 8. So there are 9 pages in my PDF, but I want only the first page. So here you can see that there is a range from 1 to 8. So here we have to select 1. Okay, so now you can see that there is only page 1. Okay, and then we will select split PDF. So we have to wait until this process is completed. It depends upon your internet speed. Okay, so now our PDF is splitted, so I just need to download. Okay, then start download and open. So now you can see that we have successfully separated the first page from the rest of the PDF. Okay, let's see another option. We select the PDF file. If you want different pages, like it's totally like 8 pages, but I want first page and 5 page and third page like this, then you can see there is another option is called extract page. So now all the pages of the PDF are in this form. So here you can see that there is a green tick mark. So let's suppose I don't want this page and this page. So I want rest of the pages. So you can see that green tick pages will present and rest of the pages will be removed. So in this way you can randomly select the pages that you want and you can uncheck the pages that you don't want. And then now if I will click on split, then in my PDF have page 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 and don't have these pages. So in this way you can randomly select the pages. Go to split and now go to download. So start download, open. So this time we have a compressed file, so we have to extract this compressed file. So in this you can say that all the pages are separated. See, so in this way you can also split all the pages into like all the pages in different files. So if you want to merge these pages, you can watch my previous video. I discussed in detail how we can merge different PDF file into one. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos.